my fidgets with me to go on holiday. But first, this Dino mochi. And by the way, this is for me and my sister. So this is the fidget section. Put that in. Next is like this pocket fidget spinner. It doubles because like it's a fidget spinner, but also like a pocket, so it's quite helpful. And then whatever. And then that goes. Okay, this one. We go get that fidgets. Okay, and then I have these identical bracelets. I got them from this one. I got from a birthday party. And this one I got from one of my school discos, whatever. But they're completely identical. But because they're silver, so I'll just pick it. Okay, I'm back. So because I had a fidget spinner for one of us. I have this mini one. They kind of look similar. Like they have like a similar colour scheme. This in here. Oopsies. Then I have this peanut popper. I had a pea popper, but then it broke. Oh gosh, but then I have green and purple monkey noodles. If you don't know what monkey noodles are, where's her head? If you don't know what monkey noodles are, they're basically like these stretchy things which you can just like wind around and like stuff like this, blah blah blah. So purple and green. I might get a few more colours, but I don't know. Then this thing, which like pushes together and just pops. But yeah, it's really satisfying. And guess what this actually is? This one's a bit more solid. But they are infinity cubes. So this one is mine, and I got this for Christmas. And then my sister also got this for Christmas, but this was in like a really big fidget pack. But so this is my sister's just blue and pink, and then mine's the purple one in there. And like I got this just singularly. Oh, this is my sister. If you don't know who she is, her name's Amy. So we're taking these. And then I'm gonna take my Pop It game, which I will show you in a sec. I sadly can't find mine, but this is my sister's, and hers is like pink and white. You have to push the back to like reset something. Yeah, and mine is just purple in the pink. This can't fit in my pencil case. Okay. But I will put it in my backpack. And yeah, that is all for the fidgets today. Hope you enjoyed. This is what mine looks like. I finally found it. This is what it looks like. And if you don't know what these are, they like switch on. And then like some of the bubbles like light up. And then you have to pop the bubbles which light up. You can get these on TikTok Shop, Amazon, or like anywhere really. Bye guys.
So these are like all carry-ons. So this is mine, this is my sister's, but I have like 2 magazines in here because it doesn't fit in mine. But mine is so perfectly packed. But we put our necklace on like the handle here. These are my old rucksacks from school. And like this is hers, necklace. This is mine. This one I had in year 1. This one I had year 2 to year 3. So open it up. So basically I got this, which I showed right before. I just separated them because Ginny wanted some more fidgets. But I'm gonna have sickness bags because I get travel sick. I also have my tablets, but I need to pack them because like I need to take them on the day, so I'm gonna pack them like once I wake up. And then this tennis ball, which I actually got on holiday 2 years ago, I'm pretty sure. And like you put it around your wrist and you throw it, and then the string like there's a string and it's attached. Let me just show you real quick. So like it's attached like that in great cars, because yeah, I don't know why, but and then like you strap it on your wrist like that, and then you hold it, throw it. I would do it, but I have no space. So you throw it, and then it comes back to you hopefully. Let me just take it off. Blah blah blah. Oh, I also got my tablet. I just need to charge it. And then this I also showed in the last video, which is also like for this, yeah. And like yeah. Then I won't go into too much detail about that. Then I got a word search book to do on the plane. Then a colouring book. It's therapy for adults, but I don't care. And then this like notepad which I made when I did like ages ago, and like it has pens in the bag up here, and like I used to use this, and like it's basically just for travelling, because like I have built-in pens, and it's also like a good colouring pad. Like it has like plain paper in it, so that's good. And then the front pocket is going to be my sickness tablets, and then 2 lollipops, raspberry and strawberry chupa chups, because like they're like good for travelling. Like some people have like Haribo's that they suck on, and then I have this like rainbow corn egg, because like I don't know, some people use like those Kinder Egg things, but like Amy, yours are in your bag. But basically like if you can't finish the lollipop, then like there's a hole at the bottom. There's one at Kinder Egg thing as well. So you put it through the hole, and then it closes just like that. So then like it keeps it safe, I guess. Then I also have my sickness tablets, and then I've had these for me, 4 magazines. They're for me. They're also for me. They're like a Brilliant Brains. You get a subscription. They're actually really good. One gets sent to you like every month. We've had them for 2 years, not months, 2 years. And like these are my 4 favourites. So think about dreams, think about ocean waste creatures, art, and the brain. So these are like my favourites, and they can't fit in my bag. And then I've got snakes and ladders. That's basically for everyone. It's magnetic, so like that's pretty good. It's magnetic and like it folds. And then cards as well. And then that's about it basically. And then we might pack some other. Oh, I'm going to bring my sleeping mask for the plane. my friend just texted me, yeah, and yeah, that's about it. This bag, because like it has a clip, because like my bag always falls off my shoulders, and then it has two water holders, because we can't take water for security, but like we take our water bottles, and then it has two as well, and then it has like a lot of inside pockets, and it has like, it's very spacious, but like look how perfect this is, like it fits perfectly. My tennis ball is right there, but like it fits perfectly, literally. Amy's is literally pretty empty, but I believe this has, yeah, it has two water things, and then it has pretty skinny front pocket, but it actually is pretty spacious, and I like the look. And then like, I think she has three lollipops or something, and then she got that like for her birthday once or something. I don't know, no, it's from Chessington. Oh yeah, it's from Chessington. Well, and it says her name, but I don't care. Then it has, she doesn't actually have anything right now. She only has her pocket, so like, basically like, it's just like, she has basically nothing, because she hasn't packed yet, but then her pillows are so nice. And then there's a random rainbow on the top, because I decided I wanted a rainbow. Well, you can take this, to be fair. Now we're going to pack our suitcases. Well, I already know what I'm going to pack, so basically, I got this from Shein for my birthday, but like, there's two sets, there's two different colours, but like, it's like these shorts, let me just put this in, and like, these shorts, which they're actually really comfy, and then a matching tank top, and then I also got it in like that colour, but we're not going to put it in our suitcases, because our mum needs to check it, because she thinks, why is the floor so warm? We have to like, we're just going to put it on the floor, and then we're going to pack it when she gets back. So, I'm going to go get my swimming costume from downstairs, and then like, this is my swimming costume, shorts, and then this, and just put this back. You need to fold it nicely so my mummy does not shout at me. Mine already is folded. Look, it's woo. What else am I taking? Your shoes. I'm going to pack my shoes later. Okay, and you want that for your shorts. Oh, luckily I have a dress. This is the only dress which my mum allows me to wear on top of like a swimming costume, because it's loose. It's loose, but it's also like, I also don't care about it. So it's like this one has butterflies on the bottom. It's like the only loose dress I have. So I just put it on top of my swimming costumes basically. But like, look how loose this is. Like, I can put it on top of my clothes. Like, I literally can put it on top of my clothes. Look at this dude. Not a dude. Look how loose this is, right? What's that? We're going on holiday Tuesday the 30th, so like, I will post this while I'm on holiday basically, and I have to edit it, and then like, ew. See what I mean by I don't care, there's chocolate on it, ew, like, that's on the back, so like, I actually, chocolate. I don't have any tank top and short PJs, except for an LOL one, which like, actually does not fit me, so like, I'm packing these pink shorts, they're PJs by the way, and then this shirt, this is kind of a PJ, it's like, for lazy people basically, I'm not saying I'm lazy, but like, you are lazy, they go together, they're pink, I don't care. There's nothing else which is a tank top. So like, I kind of have to make it. So, me not knowing how to count. Staying for 7 days, but I'm going to wear sandals and flip-flops. Okay. So I only need 2 pairs of socks. One to travel there, one to travel back. Okay. I'm dead. We're recording this on a Sunday and we're leaving on a Tuesday. So like, we pack 2 days before our parents pack like a day before. Because like, I don't know. Maybe how many t-shirts do we need? When are you going to wear a t-shirt? You're wearing a tank top, not a t-shirt. Let's go. I'll show the actual process of like me packing all of this and like the other things. Like, help me. I'll see you in a sec when like I have to actually pack. I decided to take this swimming costume instead, and still this one is like, this one fits better and it's not blue, so like, and it has like this top which was on top of it. Like, it actually looks pretty nice. Like, it has like a butterfly. And the overall design is actually like nice, so I'm going to take that one instead. And like, all my clothes are basically from Shein. Like, this was from, everything I'm taking is basically Shein. This was Shein, both of them are also Shein, so like, everything was Shein basically. When I go on holiday and like I have a spare Shein bag, I always put the clothes in a spare Shein bag. Instead of get ready with me, it's a pack with me. If you check out my TikTok account called The Only Knit Patel, I will do like a get ready with me to go to the airport. So like, you can check that out. It'll be out on the day I'm travelling, so like Tuesday. From Shein, I got another shirt and it says "Fat." I don't care. And every time she asks me something, I'm going to show her that. Please don't take my name tag off of me. Shein, guys, call me Shein. Because this is my name tag. This one looks big, but no, the thing about this thing, tell when it's wet. Like, it's basically waterproof. Like, it never looks wet at all. Unless you're wet, but like, if... yeah. It's not a fish bottle for you, is it? It's a... I don't know which one Amy saw. She's being annoying, so she actually switched the thing up. But basically, I don't know which one of these I'm going to pack. Because my mum would probably say the green one's too big for me. But like, all kids, Icky, my sister. And well, her big socks were travelling, I'm just gonna... You can't drown in clothes. Yeah, I can. How many shorts do I need? I don't know. Probably two. I don't know to wear shorts or leggings to the airport. Wait, Alexa, what's the weather like on Tuesday?
Here's the forecast for Tuesday, the 30th of July in South Kyle. Expecting temperature clouds, with a high of 30 degrees Celsius and a low of 17 degrees.
Smell like okay, so I'll probably wear like 3/4 shorts to the airport. I'll wear 3/4 shorts to the airport. Hopefully it doesn't. Oh yeah, last year we had a 12-hour delay. So I said to my best friend, shout out Augie, like I said, don't call me, I'm travelling. She said, okay, yeah, whatever. So she didn't call me the whole day. And then at 9 p.m. I was supposed to be home because our flight took off at 4. Well, we were supposed to. And we were supposed to land in the UK at like around 8, and then the flight was like 9. Not 9 hours. 1 hour from the airport to my house. So like, yeah. I said, don't call me. And she was in Lithuania, and they're like 2 hours ahead. So once I got back, it would already be like 11. So like, I said, don't call me. Today I'm gonna be traveling. She said, okay. And then at 7, I called her because I was bored to death. She said, oh, Mia, I thought you were supposed to be on the flight. I'm like, yeah, I am. She said, are you? I'm like, no, I'm not. I'm like, and I said, our flight got delayed till 1 a.m. in the morning, so like, I'm stuck here. And she's like, oh my god, I feel so bad for you. The Grimace Shake today, oh my god. So it's the 28th when I'm recording this right now, and the Grimace Shake came out in the UK, and my dad is doing a 7-hour bike ride. He said, to celebrate, we're going to go to McDonald's. I said, can I get the Grimace Shake? He said, yeah, if you want. So I'm going to go get the Grimace Shake today, and like, I will post a short about that, like, maybe tomorrow. Yeah. And then like, after this video posts, I will already be recording my next video, which is travelling to Lanzarote, Playa Blanca. So the flight is basically 4 hours. No, we have to wake up at 1. Leave the house by 2:15. Get there for 3:30. Then go through TSA, security, and blah 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 blah. Yeah. And then our flight takes off at 6. And then we should get to the resort by like 11:30 or like something like that. Because we have the flight obviously, and that's like 4.5 hours. So like that's like 10:30. And then like the drive is like 35 to 40 minutes. So like we'll be there by 12 for lunch. So that's good.